How to log out of your Discord account on phone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of your Discord account on your phone. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on to the Discord app itself, let's first visit the App Store or your Play Store if you have an Android. It's going to open it right here, and just type in the search bar, Discord. Click on Discord, and what we're going to do here is to make sure that our Discord app is up to date. So if it says open over here, that means that your Discord app is currently up to date. However, if that says update, that means that your Discord is currently outdated. So just tap on that and it will update your Discord app, so you will have the latest features and the latest bug fixes as well. Once you have made sure that your Discord app is up to date, just head on and open Discord right here. And when you're currently on a text channel or when you're currently in a Discord channel, just click on this 3 line at the top left corner so we can access the other icons of the menu at the bottom part of the screen. And what we're going to do to log out of this account is to simply click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. So you should see that over here. And this is the menu page where you can access the settings and all that. And to log out of your Discord account, you just have simply to scroll down a bit, and you should see the log out option below the what's new section on this page. Just click on log out over here and click on log out once again to confirm your decision. Wait for that to load, and you should be successfully logged out of your Discord account through your phone. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.